Okay, I want to show you guys the progress. It's a mess in here, but getting it done. Getting the trim put back on the inside. Up in here, got this put back in. Got the sound bar in. Got these brand new pieces of the roll bar in. Brand new top roll bar piece. It's getting there. Well, it looks like she's back together. I got a few more things to do. Got to put some new speakers in it. Got to get a new sun visor. But she's ready to roll after I get a battery in her. Got the wipers back on. Got the interior parts back on around the windshield. This is still a little bent. I'm gonna see if I can heat it up and turn it up. Well, she's getting ready to be on the road. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Got to check all the wiring on this. Make sure it's all working good. A little loose in there for some reason. But that's a nice little winch there. Getting real close. Well, thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend.